A student can view their assessment portfolio from two viewpoints: topic view and standards view. Let's look at the topic view. This topical organization is defined by the student's program. First by section, then the element, then the items that are associated with that element. I can use any of the tools that have been made available to me by my program right from here. Things like requesting review from faculty or a peer review from students in my program. I can also align this work to standards via this link here. I can add more files to this area by using this link. This screen is completely functional. The student has a convenient place to manage their portfolio without having to go into each section and each element individually. The standard view is an overview showing students their work in the context of the competencies they are being required to meet. It is a good gap check for the student. Here I can see all of the elements which have been aligned to Standard 1. I have not uploaded my project lesson plans. I better do so before the review. I have uploaded my general geography work. This is looking like it's in good shape. My program is allowing me to make my own alignments between my work and the program standards. I am engaged in understanding how my student work relates to the professional competencies my program is requiring. Moving down the assessment menu, we see the student has additional functions available to them. The Export Portfolio button allows the student to export their work to HTML, XML, or both at the click of a button. Students can take their body of work with them wherever they go. This feature is also available on the Presentation Portfolio and File Storage area. The functions at the bottom of this menu are designed to give the students some extra help. For example, the Evaluations tool allows the student to see how they will be evaluated at the end of the semester, as long as the program has set up that evaluation ahead of time. Here I can see that I'm going to be scored on Standards 1 and 2 from this Checkpoint 1 evaluation. I can click on the unit to see if I have the appropriate work uploaded and ready to go. As I scroll down, I can see my work uploaded for Standard 1. Here I can see the Expectations rubric. This is optional. The program chooses what student work to evaluate and the scoring standards used. Here they are measuring my work against sub-competencies for a finer analysis of student achievement. At the bottom, they are going to score me on the overall unit, Standard 1. These scoring guides are completely customizable and can measure any combination of portfolio sections, elements, or program competencies. Our rubric builder is very flexible, allowing for single or multi-level standards, multiple standard lists, psychometric scales, and other options. Here is an example key to score by. Here is an evidence area to allow the student and faculty to understand the parameters of the evaluation ahead of time. The evaluations area also has a place where students can see completed evaluations. This is where I would go to view my results. I can see that I did very well on this evaluation. I received a score of 6 or exceptional in each unit for scoring, and I passed the overall evaluation. I can click on any unit to view a snapshot of the work that was evaluated, as well as the comments left by the professor who scored me. This is a permanent record in Foliotek, which allows programs to pinpoint progress over time and track how students go from checkpoint to checkpoint. These assessment checkpoints are customizable to meet student assessment, data collection, and program accreditation needs of each educational program. The Resources area provides a place for programs to distribute materials to help students through the portfolio process. Whether this is links to websites or documents they wish to share, there is no limitation on the resources that are aligned to a portfolio structure. They can be made available to students and/or faculty and can be changed at any time. The sharing feature is designed to promote peer-based formative review. In this example, our program is promoting peer formative review. This student has asked me for feedback. I have agreed to read their assignment and provide helpful suggestions to improve their work. I just click on this link. The profile area in Foliotek collects information about students as they register. Personal and contact information is automatically populated when the student registers. However, the student can edit this information at any time by clicking on the Edit Personal Information link. If users need help using Foliotek, assistance is available by clicking on Help. Foliotek Help is context sensitive. That means it knows what you're doing and presents help information that is most relevant to you. Here it suggests, how can I update my personal information? That is exactly what I'm looking for. Clicking on the question provides step-by-step instructions to perform this function. I can print these instructions if I wish. I can email Foliotek staff from this screen, and there are help documents to aid users. The program profile is designed to give educational programs a way to collect and update a customized set of student profile data. In this case, we're collecting their ethnicity, grade level, portfolio goals, and so on. Collecting key student profile data is very powerful when cross-correlated with student performance measurements. This information can be edited by the student, or it can be set for administrative editing. Additionally, Foliotek's EduData Center capability can be used to pull information from your student information system to automatically populate these profile fields with the required student profile data. The final area here is the employment area. This is optional and allows the students to keep track of all the different jobs throughout their college experience. This will make writing that first resume just a little bit easier.